Are you tired of hearing completely opposite opinions about cholesterol? On one side, you have people claiming cholesterol is the hormone of life, that the higher it is, the healthier you are. And on the other, people who swear cholesterol is deadly, that it clogs your arteries and causes heart attacks, and that you should keep it as low as possible. So, who's right? Stay in this video, because we're going to uncover the truth behind both extremes. And I'll also show you how to understand your cholesterol test, not so you can diagnose yourself, but so you can truly understand what your doctor means when discussing your results. Let's start with the basics. What is cholesterol really? Cholesterol is not your enemy. It's an essential molecule. Your body literally can't survive without it. Even if you eat zero cholesterol, your liver and every cell in your body can produce it. It's part of every cell membrane, giving cells their flexibility and structure. It's the raw material for producing vitamin D, which is not just about bones. It's crucial for heart health, your immune system, and even mood regulation. Cholesterol is also used to make sex hormones like testosterone, estrogen, and progesterone, and stress hormones like cortisol, which help your body manage inflammation, energy, and stress response. And it plays a key role in digestion. Bile acids, which help you absorb fats, and fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, K, are made from cholesterol. So yes, cholesterol is absolutely vital for life. But here's the catch. Cholesterol doesn't float freely in your blood. It's like oil and water. It doesn't mix well with the watery environment of your bloodstream. That's why your body packages cholesterol and triglycerides into special transport vehicles called lipoproteins. Think of these lipoproteins as trucks driving on a highway. Some carry more cholesterol, some carry more triglycerides, and depending on what they transport, they have different names, LDL and HDL being the main ones. LDL and HDL, the so-called bad and good cholesterol. LDL stands for low-density lipoprotein. When there's inflammation or damage in the inner wall of your arteries, LDL particles can slip inside and start forming plaque. That's why LDL is often labeled bad. HDL, high-density lipoprotein, does the opposite. It helps clean up excess cholesterol from your arteries and carries it back to the liver for recycling or elimination. That's why HDL is called good. But here's the truth. It's not that simple. Having a high LDL number doesn't automatically mean danger, and a high HDL number doesn't always mean safety. What really matters is how many LDL particles you have, not just how much cholesterol each one carries. Imagine this. You could have 100 huge trucks carrying full loads safely on an empty highway, or thousands of small, unstable trucks speeding around and crashing into each other. Which situation sounds more dangerous? Exactly. That's where a key marker comes in, apolipoprotein B, or ApoB for short. Each LDL particle has one ApoB protein on its surface, so by measuring ApoB, you can estimate how many LDL particles are circulating in your blood. The more ApoB you have, the higher your cardiovascular risk, regardless of your total cholesterol number. This test gives a clearer picture than just LDL alone, yet many doctors still don't order it routinely. If you care about prevention, ask your doctor to check your ApoB levels. It can be a game changer for understanding your real heart risk. Now, let's talk about the two main cholesterol profiles we see in real life. 1. The atherogenic triad. This is the dangerous one. High LDL, high triglycerides, low HDL. This combination often appears in people with insulin resistance, obesity, or poor diet. These individuals usually have many small, dense LDL particles that easily penetrate artery walls and promote inflammation and plaque buildup. Here, the ApoB is almost always high, and the risk of heart disease increases dramatically. 2. The protective profile. High LDL, low triglycerides, high HDL. In this case, the LDL particles are large and fewer in number, meaning less risk. This profile is common in people who eat clean, exercise regularly, and have good metabolic health. So again, not all LDL is the same. Context is everything. Think of it visually. In the first case, the highway is packed with thousands of tiny, unstable trucks, traffic jams, and accidents everywhere. In the second case, there are just a few large, well-loaded trucks moving efficiently down the road. Now, Let's address the question everyone asks. Is cholesterol good or bad? The answer, neither. Cholesterol isn't the villain or the hero, it's neutral. What makes it dangerous or beneficial is the environment it's in. If you smoke, drink alcohol, have high blood sugar, are sedentary, or constantly stressed, your arteries are inflamed. In that environment, even normal cholesterol levels can become harmful. On the other hand, if you eat whole foods, exercise, maintain a healthy weight, sleep well, and manage stress, your body uses cholesterol efficiently and safely. Here's something most people don't realize. Dietary cholesterol, the cholesterol you eat, has very little impact on blood cholesterol for most people. Only about 20% of your blood cholesterol comes from food. The other 80% is made by your liver. So, cutting out eggs or shrimp won't fix your cholesterol problem if your lifestyle is poor. What really raises your LDL particle count and triglycerides? Processed carbohydrates, refined sugars, trans fats, chronic stress, and poor sleep. Meanwhile, foods rich in omega-3 fats, soluble fiber, and antioxidants, like salmon, nuts, olive oil, and vegetables, help balance your cholesterol naturally. Even moderate fasting or replacing refined carbs with healthy fats can improve your triglyceride to HDL ratio, one of the strongest indicators of heart health. Cholesterol is vital for life. It's part of every cell, every hormone, every heartbeat. But in excess, especially in the presence of inflammation or insulin resistance, it becomes dangerous. Don't reduce your health to a single number. Instead, look at your entire metabolic picture: triglycerides, HDL, ApoB, blood sugar, blood pressure, and lifestyle habits. Ask your doctor to evaluate your ApoB and triglyceride to HDL ratio. These are far more powerful predictors of heart disease than total cholesterol. If this video helped you finally understand your cholesterol test, share it with someone you care about. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll keep explaining health topics like this clearly, simply, and without the myths that confuse so many people.